reviews.
So this is our Num Cha fish sauce. The thing I like about Three Crabs blend is this is a Thai variety actually that's gonna have a little bit of sugar content in it. With Thai food, you want it to be well balanced. It's gonna be salty, it's gonna be sweet, it's gonna be spicy. And I find that this is perfect for that. It's cooked down with some anchovies, a little bit of salt, distilled vinegar, add a little bit of sugar, some wheat to it, and it's good to go. The Vietnamese Thai fish sauce is just a very well balanced dish that you can use for pad Thai. I can add it to just my rice at the end. I can add it to any sauce I make practically. And I mean, same thing goes with soup. This doesn't have to be necessarily something that's only cooked with Asian foods. The way I would describe the fish sauce traditionally would just be very salty and umami. And when I say umami, I just mean it's something that's really gonna punch you with flavor, something that's gonna last in your mouth a little bit longer and make you wanna go back. This brand I've been using since my first restaurant job. A long time actually, yeah, a long time coming. I've been using this since when I was working at Roy's. You'll always see this brand, and there's a reason for that, and that's because of the quality. It's always gonna be there. It's never gonna be, gradually changing depending on the batch you get. You're always just gonna get the same quality, the same taste, the same saltiness, the same sweetness every single go around. I would recommend this to chefs. I would recommend this to home cooks. A lot of chefs, especially when you go to these Asian restaurants, you'll be finding this in a lot of your dishes, but as a home cook, this is something that's very easy just to take that dish to the next level. So whether you enjoy seafood or not, this is something that you're gonna find yourself returning to constantly. Soups, stocks, sauces, whatever the case is, you're gonna find yourself wanting to just grab it real quick and just toss a little bit more in there, 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon, whatever the case is, you're always gonna find yourself returning back to this product.